Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, you should do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our AUD USD. So good trend, market is literally trending to the upside. We click as we are having a series of higher and higher low. But for right now, this is our current trend. Market is trending downward, possibly ranging. Now we would alight this key level. This is our key level. Markets had a reaction around this level here. Market also dropped and gave us a reaction. And now market is currently at this level. So we should be expecting a reaction on AUD USD. So bullish is what we should be expecting next. That is what we'll be expecting. So stay updated and follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section. Also subscribe if you've not done that yet.